Mother's Day is a time to celebrate the incredible women who shape our lives. This year, honor her with something as special as she is from Velani Jewelry in Guam. Explore our exquisite 18K gold-filled jewelry collection, thoughtfully crafted to reflect the love and appreciation you hold for your mother. From elegant necklaces that catch the light beautifully to sophisticated bracelets and stunning earrings, each piece is designed to make her feel cherished. Our jewelry offers a range of styles, ensuring that you'll find the perfect match for her unique taste. As Mother's Day approaches, give the gift of lasting beauty with Velani Jewelry. Whether it's a piece that complements her everyday style or something for special occasions, our luxurious collection is sure to make this Mother's Day unforgettable. Visit us today to discover the ideal gift that says, "Thank you, Mom, for everything." Let Velani Jewelry help you celebrate the extraordinary woman in your life with elegance and grace.